guys, it's me, X Johnson 2, and today it's 5:50 a.m. exactly when I'm making this video. This is gonna be a morning food vlog. I haven't done one of these yet. This one's gonna be solo, no guest appearances. Next one I might get a couple buddies in, you know, stuff like that, yada yada. But today.
Enemy flag acquired.
Krispy Kreme glazed donuts with chocolate icing on top. And Nesquik chocolate milk powder. Let's get into it. Okay, let's start off with the Krispy Kreme donut. Good texture. Tastes pretty good. But I don't know. I've just been so used to getting hot donuts as a kid that you know, yeah, it's not really that great to me. But it's definitely something that I could eat every once in a while for a breakfast little snack. You know. Let's move on to this chocolate milk. This is something I really enjoy. I don't like too much chocolate. I like it to be more milk than chocolate, but just enough that you can taste the chocolate. That's what I did here, and it tastes just wonderful, absolutely delicious. So Hershey's, better watch out. Nesquik coming for you. But anyways, this has been me, X Johnson 2. Peace out.